Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can make the Zen browser your default browser on your device like Windows 10 or Windows 11 in 2026. For instance, if you'd like to open, I don't know, websites, URL addresses, files, and so on and so forth from your device, and in this case, get redirected to your default web browser. In this case, you, for instance, Zen browser. So let us dive into this. Open up the Zen browser. And here guys, what you want to do is, that's option number 1, click into these 3 dots in the top left and select settings. Here in your browser settings, navigate to the general tab. And then here at the very top, you will see already that notification that Zen is currently not your default web browser. You will see the default browser also in your device's settings. I'm going to show you just in a moment how to do that. So if you click into make default, you will be redirected to your to your computer settings. And here it's not in English for me. My operating system's interface language is currently not English, but you'll be redirected to the same menu here on your device, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. And you will see the default web browser, which is for me currently Google Chrome. I would like to keep that, but if you'd like to change that, click into that field, browse through that list and select Zen. And that's it. Also, your operating system may send you a notification like that in the bottom right corner, guiding you through the process. So basically, it says the same I just showed you. You need to go to your default app settings on your device, or you can do that via that button here at the top. Select the web browser and choose Zen. That's it. You can ask your device to guide you through that by clicking to show me, or cancel that by clicking into done here. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.